DJI's upcoming Avata 3 looks like a major shift from the earlier models if the leaks and early buzz are true. While the first two Avatas focused on making FPV flying safe and beginner-friendly, the Avata 3 seems built for serious performance. We're talking a bigger camera sensor for cleaner shots, higher frame rates for smooth slow motion, and redesigned aerodynamics for sharper control. Basically a mix of cinematic drone and high-speed FPV racer. Leaked photos and reports suggest DJI is trying to nail two big goals: better image quality in real shooting conditions and flight dynamics that satisfy experienced pilots, all while keeping the protected Cinewhoop style that makes the Avata great for tight spaces. One of the biggest rumors is the move to a 1-inch sensor, a big jump from the older 1x1.7-inch one. That means better low-light performance, more detail in shadows and highlights, and a richer, more cinematic look. For filmmakers using the Avata as a fast B-cam, this could be a real creative boost. Cleaner color grades, stronger highlights, and more flexibility in post. It also seems the Avata 3 could shoot 4K at 120 FPS, giving smooth, natural slow motion without heavy ending tricks. Combined with the new sensor, that could mean stunning FPV footage straight out of the camera, fast, fluid, and cinematic. The DJI Avata 3 isn't just getting faster and sharper, it's also getting a serious internal makeover. Shooting 4K at 120 FPS demands better heat management and faster data handling, so DJI seems to be reworking both the hardware and design to keep up. Leaks mention several big changes: a switch from 3-blade to 4-blade propellers, a repositioned battery for better balance, and tuned motors aimed at hitting top speeds near 140 kilometers per hour. The 4-blade setup might add a bit more drag, but it improves thrust, control, and smoothness, perfect for cinematic flying. Moving the battery further back also helps the drone stay steadier in flight, especially during complex camera moves. Visually, leaked photos show a larger nose and redesigned prop guards to fit the new camera and cooling system. These aren't just cosmetic tweaks. The bigger camera and 4K 120 recording need more space for airflow and heat dissipation. DJI likely had to rethink the drone's layout to keep its trademark Cinewhoop-style safety while boosting performance.
Other leaks hinted upgrades in sensors and software, including better obstacle detection, smarter return-to-home features, and tighter integration with DJI's next-gen goggles. Improved sensing and a sharper FPV view could make flying smoother, safer, and more reliable, especially for creators who want perfect shots without risky retakes. Rumors suggest the Avata 3 could launch between late 2025 and early 2026, with prices expected around $1,200 to $1,500 depending on the kit. That price range hints at a more pro-level machine, one that bridges the gap between creative FPV flying and full-on filmmaking. With the Avata 3, DJI seems ready to move the series beyond the entry-level FPV space and into pro-consumer territory, where buyers expect stronger cameras, smarter sensors, and a more polished package instead of a fun beginner drone. That could also explain why DJI might carefully time the Avata 3's release alongside other big launches like the Mini 5 Pro, avoiding overlap and keeping attention focused on each product. For creators, this upgrade could be a big leap. If the leaks hold true, the 1-inch sensor and 4K to 120 FPS recording will mean much more flexible footage, better for mixed lighting and cinematic slow motion. The new frame and flight system should make fast, precise moves easier, while improved sensors and goggles could cut down on retakes and wasted shots. Of course, more power usually means higher cost, added weight, and possibly more maintenance. The Avata 2 will still suit most casual pilots, but the Avata 3 looks aimed at pros and serious enthusiasts, turning FPV clips from one-off inserts into regular cinematic B-roll. In short, the Avata 3 rumors describe a drone that's both safer and more cinematic. Bigger sensor, higher frame rates, improved aerodynamics, and closer integration with DJI's next-gen goggles. Whether it truly delivers will come down to real-world performance. Heat control, battery life, and stability will decide if it's a genuine evolution or just an impressive concept finally made real.